Okay, this is number 16. So what I did was I took equation number 1 and I multiplied it by -2 to get this equation here. And then I took equation 2, just as you see it right here, and I added those together to get this one. Okay, then I took equation number 2 and then equation number 3 multiplied by -2 so that I would cancel out my z's again. So you want to cancel out the same variable, z's in the first one, z's in the second set, to get these two equations. So I ended up with this equation and this equation. And then what I did was I took those two, and if you notice, there is a positive 3y and a negative 3y, so those will eliminate. So I just set them over top of each other and I eliminated so that I could solve for my x. So then I got x equals 1, and I took that 1 and I plugged it in up here, okay, which is this work. And when I did that, I solved for my y, which I also got was 1. And then once I had y, then I took this equation, the second equation, just because it's simplest numbers, and I plugged in x, which was 1, plus y, which was 1, plus 2z equals 4, and solved that, and again, got z equals 1. Okay, this one, 32, it says a stadium has 49,000 seats, and there's 3 different sections. So section A plus section B plus section C is going to add up to 49,000 seats, okay? But then it's $25 for section A, and it's $20 for section B, and it's $15 for section C, and the total amount of money. So whenever you see dollar signs, those should all be together in an equation. So that looks like this, okay, for that one. And then your third equation, it says the number of seats in section A, so A, equals the total number of seats in sections B and C. So A equals B plus C. And then what I would do from here is I would do substitution. So wherever I see an A, I would put in B plus C. So I would put that in here, and I would put it in here. So it's going to be B plus C plus B plus C equals 49,000. And then down here, it's going to be 25 times B plus C plus 20B plus 15C equals 1,052,000. And then make sure you distribute that. This would be up top 2B plus 2C equals 49,000. And then down here, it's going to be 25B plus 25C plus 20B plus 15C, right? So we're going to combine like terms. 25 plus 20 is 45B. 25 plus 15 is going to be 40C. And then that's going to equal the 1 million number. Then you have options. We want to eliminate something here. Actually, maybe you wouldn't want to. There's different ways you could do this. I could divide this whole thing by 2 and then subtract a C and do substitution. Or I could divide this bottom one all by 5 and then multiply the top one by something to get, multiply the top one by a -4 to get 8C and -8C. That will eliminate. So you have options at this point. I don't know, I might actually do substitution. I'm not usually a substitution person, but I would probably take this top equation and just divide by 2, because 49,000 divided by 2 is going to give me 24,500. So that's going to be B plus C equals 24,500. So I could just solve for B by taking away C. So B equals 24,500 minus C, and then I can just plug that in right, nope, not right there, right here, okay, to solve for C. That's probably how I would do it. And then once I have that, then I could plug my C in here to solve for B. or plug my C in there to solve for B. And then plug them both in up here to solve for A. On the test, you just have to set this one up for me. You don't actually have to solve it. So as long as you can set this up, you're in good shape.